Introducing the Alt Workstation. It allows users to work in 4 key productivity positions. Whether you want to sit, stand, collaborate, or focus, our patented technology provides continuous comfort while your computer seamlessly moves with you, all with the simple push of a button. For decades, sitting at work was standard. With Alt Work, any position can be standard. You choose. We've adapted to our computers sitting and slouching for far too long. Isn't it time they adapt to us?
So why hasn't someone built a workstation like this before? Because it's really, really hard.